This video demonstrates how easy it is to install and drain down the unique SpiroTrap MB3 from SpiroTech. You should first familiarize yourself with the box contents, including the olives and compression fittings, the drain valve, the new external magnet, and the body with rotating fitting mechanism. It's also important to thoroughly read the installation instructions prior to fitting. Then, once everything is to hand, you should start by switching off the boiler and then draining down the system. Once drained, it's recommended that you carry out a water quality test to determine if any additional treatment is required. The SpiroTrap MB3 should be fitted on the main return pipework close to the boiler. There's an arrow on the rotating connection which should be pointed in the direction of the water flow. Using the ruler provided on the installation instructions, mark off a 60mm section of pipe to be removed. You should then cut and remove this section of pipe. And then slide on the provided olives and compression fittings. Again, ensure that the arrow on the SpiroTrap MB3 matches the flow direction. The SpiroTrap MB3 unit can then be easily slid onto the pipework with the benefit of its slip socket. Once in place, the fitting should be tightened by hand and then finished off with either a suitable pair of grip pliers or a wrench. The SpiroTrap MB3's rotating fitting mechanism can be utilized to provide easy access to the fittings. Then, loosen off the rotating fitting mechanism. Rotate the body back to the vertical position and tighten the remaining compression fitting. The rotating fitting mechanism should also then be tightened to secure the unit in place. The procedure is the same for horizontal installations. Measure, cut, slide on the olives and compression fittings, and fit the unit. It's now time to get the provided drain valve and wrap PTFE tape around the thread. Now connect the drain valve to the unit and tighten in place. Then, slide on the external magnet and refill the system. After refilling and commissioning the system, we recommend an initial drain of the SpiroTrap MB3 before handing over to the customer. Switch off the boiler. Slide off the magnet, which in turn drags down the collected magnetite. Unscrew the safety cap off the drain valve and attach a suitable hose. The safety cap can then be used to open the drain valve. You can drain the unit into a bucket or other suitable container until the water runs clear. Then, close the drain valve, disconnect the hose, screw back on the safety cap and slide back on the magnet. It's as easy as that. Once the installation is complete, fill in the sticker provided and place it on the boiler. You've now successfully installed and drained down the unique SpiroTrap MB3 from SpiroTech.